Hi, this is Brian McHenry of McHenry Software, and this is a quick intro to our Beta 3 and some of the additional features we've added, and just to get you familiar and get you up and started and running for those of you that are returning beta users or those of you that are new beta users. You're watching right here is the My First Project, and there is a video of how that was created. Let me show you how you get to that and other things. When you first start up McHenry Software, msmac3D, you're going to be getting a video player come up, and the first video will be this video, but also there will be a number of other videos. You can hit pause like I have just done, and then there's a playlist here which includes, there's a demonstration of the msmac3D polygon friction, how to use friction zones, how to set them up. There's a demo, a 5-minute intro to Edit 3D. There's how to pan, zoom, and other things, and we will be adding to this, so frequently check back. It can pop up. You can change down here to not have it come up when you first start up, but that's a good way to get some introductory videos to get you up and running. In the projects, when you open project files, we have a number of sample projects out there now. We got 2002 SCARS Test 2, 2007 NC Stars, Polygon Friction Zones, Hill Climb, My First Project Toyota, Rollover. Let's go to the New York Stars. I just wanted to show you something that when you bring up these projects, now you click on the project, it brings it up, opens it. There's now this info about this project. Not all of them have it yet, but pretty soon most of our demos, etc., will have that. Click on info about this project, and it brings up a full screen help file, which I resized for the size of this video. You notice that the first topic is just the presentation of the scene diagram. Then we have some vehicle damage photographs. We have discussion of momentum analysis. There's information in here about what you would do and some of the problems with having a momentum analysis. There's a question of the side slap damage, diagram of the velocity vectors during the collision and side slap, and a video of the velocity vectors. This is one of the things that we may have just a link instead of having the actual video, because that's probably one of the things that increase the size of the install, and we apologize for that. There's also the measured accelerations, and you can see that there's this main hit, and then there's the side slap. And so the question is, when you're doing this momentum-wise, how do you handle that? And that is why msmac3D is a good place to go when you're reconstructing accidents which include a side slap. You close that, just go and show the last simulation. If there isn't a simulation, it will rerun the simulation. So here we have the simulation. And of course, right-clicking brings up this control for changing the view. Those are all in the intros, etc. This is just a very simple impact with the side slap. Some of the other things that we have are positions, initial positioning. You see how you can select which vehicle you want and move it for your initial positions, etc. The other videos will show you what all these various dialogues are, especially the polygon friction zone. That's a new one that's finally installed and up and running. If we go back, let's look at a couple more of the projects real quick. The SCARS. Here's some more info about this project. You notice it's got a scene diagram, summary of the crash test, specifications, diagrams, scene photos. This is all installed on your computer. To give you an idea of what we ran here, you can, and there's our SCARS 2. Another project that we have out there that we had sent to you is the Toyota pickup roll. This is a test that we're trying to get the video on because we'd love to do a sample of the video. It's a 13-second simulation, 7 rollovers, starts at 78 miles an hour. This is the complete inputs you need for it. And I use an auto pan on it. And one of the samples we show, and I think it's one of the videos there, but let's just say now right now I have two vehicles running at the same speed. You can actually only show one vehicle, or you can run them at the same speed. Well, let's say we increase one to 80. So vehicle 2 will be at 80. Now just to show you how they're set up with an option, so you can run 2 and vary some, change some variables to see how that does. See now when you run it, see how the one that's going faster is the red vehicle. And this shows the differences that you get with different speeds. The info on this one talks about, this is the SAE paper that came from. Here's the diagram. Here are some rollover sequence photographers, which we may do a match of. Here's their time history measurements. Then I actually went and digitized those. And if you see here, look at the roll rate. We're doing very well. There's obviously some variations due to, we have a general overall structure of the vehicle, and we could make it more detailed. The blue is what is measured on the vehicle, and the orange is the msmac3D prediction. You can see that there's a very good correlation. Now we also included a video, which is probably why there's the installation is such a large size. Hello, I also wanted to add from our main McHenry Software website, you can go to our forum, and on it you'll find a number of subjects and topics of particular interest to you, or msmac3D general questions and answers. These have a number of questions and items. We also have tech support, which we're just starting, but here's some instructional videos we talked about. And then McHenry Software News. There's also general questions, etc., on the website with respect to what is collision analysis, reconstruction topics, highway safety, vehicle safety, litigation, and we've also started putting some of our McHenry Software website articles from the main site onto here, and we'll add more because at some point we're going to make our website more mobile friendly. If you run through a lot of the videos and then just start working with it, you should be able to get up to speed very quickly. And I appreciate you watching, and thank you for your support of McHenry Software.